Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a wallet on Coinomi app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Coinomi app on your phone. Now from over here you're gonna find these two options, which includes create a new wallet and restore a wallet. You're going to tap on this option of create a new wallet. Now you simply have the process is simply providing the password authentication. You're gonna create yourself a password and again retype your particular password at the bottom. Once you're done, tap on done option and tap on this little icon. Now you can start by simply adding to coin to your assets. For the easy access, accept the terms, and there you go. You have successfully created yourself a wallet, and now you can start using and adding money and buying crypto likewise. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.